welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I have a PR review. I want to present for I received a PR package, and I'm just so excited to show all of these items that I received from the package. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. So a wonderful company named outdoortide contacted me to review some of their products that they offer on their website, and Rosy, of course, selected diamond paintings. They offered me to select 2 items, and I selected 2 kind of large diamond paintings because I fell in love when I saw the styles on the website. So some transparency, this is take 2 of this video because my original video had some sound issues, so I had to do it again. So that's why you'll see the paintings a little bit frazzled, and they're not in the plastic covering anymore because I had taken them out. And when I had received the package, it came in kind of thin plastic bag, but diamonds weren't damaged in any way, because it kind of got shoved into my mailbox, so the poor bag got kind of tethered up. But the paintings are fine. They were wrapped up in really sturdy plastic coverings, so there were no issues with the paintings. So for the first painting I want to show, when I was on their website, they did show options of different styles of paintings. They had square, it described specifically round drills, round diamonds, square diamonds. They had an option for AB diamonds, and I've never seen that before. So this painting is from their AB diamond selection. So let me just unfurl it real quick. And comes with your diamonds and your standard kit. So this is a really nice kit. It has your standard pen, tray, and wax, but includes 2 multi-placers, really nice kind of squishy pencil holder, and some tweezers. I really love that. I love that little tray. And these are the diamonds. So this was the selection, as I said, when I saw the option that they had AB drills, diamond painting. So I selected it. Myself, I honestly believe the whole painting is going to be AB drills. No, it's not. It just offers the option that some diamonds will be AB drills. And so, let me take them out real quick. There are 4 of them in this painting. So let me get the 4th one here. Ooh, sorry about that. And the painting itself has a really large background of black, so that's why you see this really nice large pack of black, which I have no problem because I really love the image background on this one. So these are the 4 ABs. So you can see it's a really dark blue, kind of a medium blue, really nice dark teal, and a light gray. I love these ABs. Let me see a little closer on camera for you. You can see the little effect. Just in case you're not too sure, the term AB drills stands for Aurora Borealis, and it kind of gives that little prismatic effect. As you can see on the diamonds, they're offering a little shine. I love that it came with these. I'm a big fan of AB. Well, big fan of special drills. And so the painting, sorry, I really wanted to show the diamonds. Sorry about that. The painting is this. Rosy and her coffee cups. It's a large coffee cup with a black background, and it's just the cup with the little saucer in the bottom and the little steam coming off of it. And I fell in love when I first saw this image. And the canvas itself, to me, it reminds me of nylon a bit. As you can see the shine a little bit when I'm moving it. It's a little thin, but it's really soft and nice, and I kind of like running my hands on it. And it is a nice canvas. It's just, as I said, it's just a little more thin than I'm used to, but I hang them up on the wall, so I know that when it's being on my wall, it's not going to have any issues. So some information about this painting. It is ZQS2505-AB, and it is a 50 by 40. That's why you're having me struggle a bit to get it on screen. And it has 35 colors. It's not bad. There's a lot of detail in the coffee cup. As you can probably see here in the middle, it's like a little decoration. Let me just fold it real quick. There is a little decoration in the middle, and there's details in the plate. That's why there's so many colors. The name of this painting is, when I first purchased it, it is named Magic Coffee Cup. And yeah, I can see it. All the little effects around it and all that. As you can see, as I said, a lot of black is in the background. So I fell in love when I saw this image. When I saw that ABs are included, which are these four, I really picked it up. So on the site, well, actually on time of when I select this painting on the website, it is going for $15.11. For 50 by 40, that is the price makes sense. And I actually really loved when I saw it. So that's why I really wanted to pick it up. And the website itself is really budget friendly. So any paintings that I was trying to select, they all had really affordable prices. So that's why when I selected this large one, I knew, ooh, it's gonna be a little more pricier than I usually pay. But the size and the number of diamonds it has, to me, I really do like. Sorry, I really do like. The ABs are distracting me again. I really do love this image as well. So let me put this aside real quick. And let me get the next one. So when I was searching for paintings, I of course was looking for a flower one, because I always want something with flowers. So this painting was suggested to me by the website, and I fell in love when I saw the image. And this one is just a regular diamond. It's a round diamond, so is the other one. It's round as well, but there's no ABs or any special drills. It's just round diamonds. And I selected this one for my second choice. And again, Rosy does what Rosy does. Picked it because I loved it. Did not see the size of it. And you'll see why in a moment. So let me just unfurl the painting. Really unfurl the painting. And same thing, comes with your standard kit. And this one has a little multi-placer, which is a 3. I love that. And these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness, I love all these colors. All these pinks and purples. I love that. Love all the blues. I'm a big fan of that. And this one is kitted up as well. It's all in Ziploc bags. So was the other painting, which I don't really use Ziploc bags, but I love how they're all organized. And it makes it a little easier when I'm starting to shift the kind of storage container I'm going to use. And this is the painting. So it is beautiful plum blossoms on a branch in snow and ice. And I say that because that is the name of the painting. The name of this painting on the website is called Plum Blossoms in Ice and Snow. And as you can see, there is the blue background, these wonderful, beautiful flowers on it, on the branch, and there's some snow on some parts of it. I loved this image when I picked it up, and I knew I really want to work on it because I can already see what it looked like on my wall. The canvas on this one is a little bit more sturdier, I guess that's the word I can say. It's a little rough. It's pretty much standard canvases I've had for a lot of my paintings. You can probably hear when I'm running my fingers. So I really do love that it's really durable. So I'm a big fan of the canvas. And as I said, I'm kind of used to this style. And so for some information about the painting, it is SZ5475 and it is 40 by 70. Remember I said, ooh, this one ended up being really big. But I really do love the image. Sorry about that, it's getting caught on my desk. And it is 25 colors. Now that surprised me when I saw that, because I thought for sure it would be around in the 30 range. But no, majority of the color is in the blue. So, and I love the pink on the flowers. It's just so pretty. I really like it. And the legend is really large, really clear. And from the numbers 1 through 9, they're all in numerical order. So 1 is 1, 2 is 2. There's no symbols on it. And from 10 to 25, they're all capital letters. So I have no issues with that. I love when the legends are just straightforward that way. For the other painting, my apologies, I didn't show the legend. That one does have capital letters, but has symbols as well. So that one I'll have to keep my eye on a little bit once I start on it. But I really did like the legend on that one as well. And for, as I stated before, all the paintings that I've shown, I'll make sure to put the information below in the description in case you're liking this wonderful branch of flowers and ice and snow. I'm just running it through because I cannot get it all on camera. It's a little bit bigger than unless I clear out my complete desk. So that's like you see me kind of running it up and down. But it's just a large branch with flowers on it. It's so pretty. And on the website, this painting is $15.65. Now for this size, I kind of was expecting it to be around the $20 range. But for $15, that is really affordable for a really large painting in this wonderful setting for it as well. And for the drill field is really clear. I do not have any issues with it. There are some assistance circles, as you can probably see around the symbols and the coloring, and I have no issues with that as well. Helps me make sure the diamonds really put on straight. And yeah, I would just have to keep an eye out because there are some different numbers in the blue field. But since I work really slowly, I have no issues seeing the difference whenever I'm going through that. So I really love this painting. So I am going to show the website I want to show a little bit more details on it. Sorry about that. As I said, the website also sells other items, not just diamond paintings. And one of the first items I saw, it sells cross stitch. And let me see if I can get this zoomed in a bit. There we go. So when I did in the order, when I selected those two paintings, I had no issues at all. The website works really clearly, and I had no problems when I was following tracking through the website as well. One of the first items I did see was cross stitch, and right now they're having a promotion. If you buy 3, you get 1 free, and also at 5%. So since I am doing a product review, I do have a discount code as well. It is ROSE10, and that is 10% off whatever order you place onto the outdoortide site. And I'll make sure to put the code here. You can see in the corner for a bit, and I'll make sure to put it in the description below if you decide, ooh, I do want to buy some items from the site as well. And so there are, as I said, there's cross stitch, they offer diamond painting, they offer accessories as well. To locate all of that, you would just have to go to more links, and you see the listing of everything that's offered. So as I said, there's diamond painting, there's painting by numbers as well, epoxy molds, any kind of photo customization you want to do for your paintings, and order tracking when you need to go in. So for diamond painting, we're going to look at that because, well, it's diamond painting. It does separate everything by the diamond types. There's large ones, the tools as well, any kind of extra crafts, as you can see, coaster keychain stickers, and any kind of, you know, these are just different separations. If there's any paintings you're looking for Disney or for a cat, anything like that. When I first searched, the first thing I did was select the option, for example, AB drill, and you would just go through the selection of all the paintings that they offer. So a majority of paintings I first saw were kind of large. So as you can see, a majority of these are 45, 55, or around the 30 range. So they're a little bit bigger than myself than I'm used to. But let's say, for example, this one. I like this little witch one. I think I might add it in my cart later. This one's 45 by 55. And this is a square painting. So there are ABs in square and ABs in round. But since the majority of my paintings are round, that's why I make sure to select the round ones. And if your order is $59 or more, it is free shipping as well, which I'm a big fan of that. Means I'd have to place a big order. And yeah, and it's everything. It gives you all the details and all the information of everything that you're looking for this painting. I really do like this little witch. It's so cute. And there, as I said, there's other options as well. So let me go back to, let's say, the round drills. So they, as I said, they have other options. You can also sort them by, let's go to a low price one. Go from low to high. So, for example, this one. First thing I saw were the flowers. It's a nice, cute little cardinal with sunflowers, and it's a full round painting. They also have partials as well, but I didn't see those. I really wanted a full-on painting, so that's why I was making sure. And this one does give more details. This one's a 30 by 25. Yeah, that's why it looks a little smaller. But I love the sunflowers. That's why I kept looking at them. Ooh, let's look at these roses. This one is a partial. It even tells you here it's a partial round. And the purple roses. Ooh, I like this one too. And this one is for $4.37. And the sizing is a 25 by 25. It kind of makes sense. It's a little smaller since it's a partial. But I really do love the design on it. Ooh, I'm a big fan of that. I really need to place an order when I have a chance and start selecting a lot of these paintings. So, yeah, oh my goodness, I love a lot of these. Oh, look at these sunflowers. My apologies, I am getting a bit distracted, but it's just, I love all of the options that they have for all the different kind of paintings. As I said, they have so many, not just portraits and all of that. They have landscapes, special as you've seen. Ooh, this one's really nice. It's a 30 by 30, and it also states it has rhinestones as well. So I can imagine what this little sunflower looks like. Add you to cart. Sorry about that. I was looking at some of these. So yeah, so that's all I really wanted to show today. I just wanted to make sure to show, especially when you're searching onto the site, if you want to look more specific, as I said, for the diamond painting, or let's say paint by number. If maybe that's a different kind of craft you want to try. I love that there's different options, that you can have an option. Ooh, sorry about that. A different choice of any kind of craft you wish to do. And again, I would like to thank outdoortide for giving me the opportunity to review these wonderful paintings and to be able to present the website and all of the information to my channels, so everyone can go experience all of these wonderful paintings and items as well. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. It really helps out the channel and really gives me the opportunity to show everyone these wonderful paintings and items as well. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.